know the activity that we do can generate lots of carbon dioxide. Food is also one of the major causes of global warming because before its food come out for everyone to eat, it has been thousands of processes that create a lot of carbon dioxide. For example, a standard burger that's 115 grams and the production process produce 2.5 kilograms of carbon dioxide for the world, which is more than burning 1 liter of gasoline in a car. This year, carbon dioxide emissions are up to 1.5 billion metric tons of 2020 and causing more global warming problem every year.
Food that students eat every day at school, it is something that can generate a lot of carbon dioxide, but they are unaware of how much they are ingesting that is contributing to global warming. Carbon dioxide emissions continue to rise and breaking a new record every year. The more these gases are released, the heat will increase accordingly, until it becomes a global warming problem. If all the children in the school were to eat food that produce a lot of carbon dioxide, the gas would be double. And it would be better if schools are the part in helping to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. And if we have some application that can help students to be the one who can reduce the world environment problem, like reducing the generation of carbon dioxide that causes global warming that can affect everyone. Of course, it definitely will be better, and we propose you our newly developed application, the Food Oxide.
Food Oxide is an application that designed to allow consumers to monitor the carbon dioxide content of their food. Food Oxide makes consumers aware of the amount of carbon dioxide from food to consume. That's how much carbon dioxide is produced, and it's a helper for consumers to choose other food with similar nutrient content but producing less carbon dioxide to help reduce the carbon dioxide problem.
In this work, we will use machine learning technique as for supervised learning to create image processing from data in database. Food Oxide is easy to use. Start by placing the Scan Food button to scan the food you want to eat. Then the system will show the amount of carbon dioxide produced in the production of that dish for easy and understanding. They can also recommend other dishes that have a lower carbon footprint but the nutrient content is similar to help people to reduce carbon dioxide and make it a decision choice for consumers.
There are also two other functions. Top list will list all the food that produce carbon dioxide from the most to the least, and information which provide additional information to consumers about the carbon dioxide from food.
Let's imagine that if every school in the world has used the application, how much carbon dioxide could be reduced from food? By multiplying the amount of carbon dioxide that can be reduced in each school, as can be seen in the total number of schools worldwide, it would generate up to 10 billion metric tons, or 66% of carbon dioxide emission from food. And this is the amount of carbon dioxide that this app will help to reduce forever.